Welcome to Lesson 8 of our Intermediate German Language series. In this session, we'll unravel the intricacies of declination, specifically focusing on masculine nouns. Understanding how nouns change in different cases accusative, dative, and genitive is crucial for grasping German grammar nuances. Exploring declination. 1. Masculine nouns in accusative. Masculinins in accusative often receive an extra n or n at the end. For example, immer erlaub habe ich einen Studenten kennengelernt changes to immer erlaub habe ich einen Studenten kennengelernt, where student adds an n due to the accusative case. 2. Masculine nouns indicative, thetative case continues the trend of adding an n at the end. Der Arzt spricht mit einem Patienten transforms to Der Arzt spricht mit einem Patienten, with patient adopting an n. 3. Masculine nouns in genitive. When it comes to genitive, the rules slightly shift. Normally, nouns in genitive receive an es ending. However, with declination, masculine nouns get an n or n ending instead. For example, die Kinder des neuen Nachbarn sind freundlich. Specificemplis. 1. Accusative examples. Kennst du den neuen Nachbarn? Do you know the new neighbor? Ich suche den Journalisten. I'm looking for the journalist. 2. Dative examples. Sie spricht mit dem neuen Nachbarn. She's talking to the new neighbor. Kannst du bitte dem Journalisten helfen? Can you please help the journalist? 3. Genitive examples. Die Kinder des neuen Nachbarn sind freundlich. The children of the new neighbor are friendly. Sag mir, bitte, den Namen des Journalisten. Tell me the name of the journalist. Categories of masculinins. 1. Masculine nouns with e ending. Examples: der College, der Chinese, der Af. 2. Masculine nouns with n ending. Examples: der Praktikant, der Präsident, der Polizist. 3. Masculine nouns with other endings. Examples: der Biologe, der Democrat, der Architect. Exceptions and special cases. Herr, an exception to the rule. Herr doesn't follow the typical pattern. Its plural form is Herren, but in declination, we only add an n, not n. Name, another exception. Name receives an es in genitive, unlike other masculine nouns. Conclusion: mastering declination for masculine nouns enhances your German language proficiency. Practice the variations in different cases, and soon, changing noun endings will become second nature. If you're hungry for more language insights and want to boost your German skills, stay tuned for future lessons in our series.